OBS Studio versus Camtasia. Choosing the right screen recording software can completely change how you capture and edit videos without wasting time or compromising quality. OBS offers powerful free tools, while Camtasia provides an intuitive all-in-one editing experience. OBS Studio and Camtasia are two popular screen recording solutions. OBS focuses on live streaming and customizable recording, while Camtasia combines screen capture with professional video editing tools. The core difference lies in OBS's free open source flexibility versus Camtasia's polished user interface and editing features. OBS Studio is a free open source screen recording and live streaming software widely used by gamers, educators, and content creators. It works by capturing video and audio from multiple sources, including screens, webcams, and microphones, allowing users to create highly customizable scenes. Its strengths include powerful real-time video and audio mixing, support for various plugins, and the ability to stream directly to platforms like Twitch or YouTube. However, OBS has a steeper learning curve and lacks built-in video editing tools, requiring external software for post-production. It is ideal for users who want a cost-effective, flexible solution with advanced customization and live streaming capabilities. Those comfortable with technical setups and willing to invest time learning its interface will benefit most from OBS Studio's extensive features. Camtasia is a premium screen recording software combined with a powerful video editor, designed for professionals and educators who want an all-in-one solution. It captures high-quality screen recordings, webcam footage, and system audio, then allows users to edit videos with an intuitive drag and drop interface. Camtasia's strengths lie in its easy-to-use timeline editor, built-in effects, transitions, annotations, and quizzes, making it perfect for creating polished tutorials and presentations. It also supports exporting videos in multiple formats optimized for different platforms. The main limitation is its cost, as it requires a paid license and it may not offer the same level of streaming flexibility as OBS. Camtasia is best suited for users prioritizing seamless recording and editing without needing additional software, especially those focused on professional video production and instructional content. When comparing OBS Studio and Camtasia, the choice depends on your workflow and priorities. OBS excels in live streaming and offers extensive customization for free, but it requires external editing tools and a learning curve. Camtasia provides a streamlined experience by combining recording and editing in one interface, making it ideal for creating polished videos quickly, though it comes at a price. For example, a gamer streaming live content will benefit from OBS's flexibility and plugin support, while a corporate trainer producing tutorial videos will appreciate Camtasia's ready-to-use editing features and ease of use. Trade-offs include cost versus functionality and customization versus simplicity, so selecting between them depends on whether you need advanced streaming or an integrated editing workflow. Choose OBS Studio if you want a free, highly customizable recording and streaming tool, and don't mind using separate software for editing. Opt for Camtasia if you prefer an all-in-one screen recording and video editing solution with a user-friendly interface, especially for professional or educational content. Both tools serve different needs, so pick the one that fits your workflow best for efficient, high-quality video production.